हेलो। हाँ जी बोलिए। क्या? रॉयल एनफील्ड हैज लॉन्च द न्यू मोटरसाइकिल, द ट्रेल्स। Oh, what? It's there in your showroom already? All right, I'll be there. I'll be there in some time. Thanks for notifying me. I'll come in some time. See you. Let's go check it out. Can you see that? Yeah, okay. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आ चुका हूँ रॉयल एनफील्ड के सायरा मोटरक्राफ्ट शोरूम में जो है महादेवपुरा में। और अभी हम अंदर जाएंगे। रॉयल एनफील्ड ने लॉन्च किया है न्यूली 350cc मोटरसाइकिल ऑफ रोडिंग वाला। सो विल गो चेक इट आउट। मैं आ चुका हूँ रॉयल एनफील्ड के सायरा मोटरक्राफ्ट शोरूम में। और ये है रॉयल एनफील्ड की नई लॉन्च। दिस इज़ कॉल्ड दी रॉयल एनफील्ड ट्रेल्स, कम्प्लीटली मेड फॉर ऑफ रोडिंग पर्पस। और काफ़ी खूबसूरत है दोस्तों। आई मीन दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ मॉडिफिकेशन, बुलेट इज़ नोन फॉर इट्स प्योरेस्ट ऑफ मॉडिफिकेशन, बट ऐसा मॉडिफिकेशन इट्स ओनली रॉयल एनफील्ड कैन कम अप विथ। Absolutely beautiful. The engine, let me tell you friends, the engine remains the same UCI engine which the Bullet Electra uses. And pretty much I think this sort of modification looks absolutely perfect. This was one sort of bike, I mean off-roading. This has been purpose-built motorcycle purely for your off-roading purpose. And hats off to Royal Enfield's legendary team to have come up with this. And if I have to talk about certain changes, it's beautiful changes, mechanical changes they have made. If you look at these knuckle guards, it looks absolutely gorgeous. And then you have this the ABS, dual channel ABS, and there's this grill which comes up and gives this hard sort of look, rugged look. Shock absorb covers, it's beautiful. And dosto, this is the new Royal Enfield's logo, which is for the first time it came for the Interceptor, and they have borrowed the same Interceptor's logo for the trails as well. The paint scheme is absolutely beautiful, pretty much similar to that of Royal Enfield Electra. I think the fuel tank capacity also is same. And if you see this frame is something which looks absolutely gorgeous. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं red frame, that is the highlight for me. If you ask me what is the speciality, I will say this red frame is absolutely beautiful. Royal Enfield keeps coming up with this sort of models, and it's really tempting. You really want to keep it one in your garage, but unfortunately, you can't have too many vehicles. Considering your daily routine, you cannot, use it. And there's a single saddle seat, and this seat is meant for your luggage. You can keep your luggage. And the tires are from Seat Pro Grip, completely off-roading tread anywhere tires. And that's pretty much it. And if you look at this tail lamp, this is borrowed from that of its Continental GT 650cc. And the Interceptor also, I think the Interceptor lights also resembles pretty much same. And you have this upside exhaust. So the thing with this is, while you're doing off-roading or you're in corners, you don't have to worry about this getting anywhere touched on the road. जैसे मैं बोल रहा था, this sort of bullet is known for its purest of modification. You can do any sort of mods on the bullet, and this can be modified. If you look at this frame, everything else has been same except for the knuckle guard, the tires, the frame. It completely makes up for it. I'm absolutely in awe with this new launch of Royal Enfield. Pricing, I'm not too sure. Pricing remains in 225. I think 225, 230. That's the. But I was never expecting, honestly, this sort of a bike from Royal Enfield anytime in future, because, like I always say, Royal Enfield has always been doing changes every year, you know, without having to do too many mechanical changes. If you look at 2 years ago, they got this stealth black model where they had the ABS, and last about 6 months ago they launched their signals version, which had the dual channel ABS and fuel indicator or something that's different. And if you look at this, ये जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, बहुत ही comfortable handle है. It's sort of made for upright posture, so you don't have to worry about it. And that's pretty much it. As I said, this is the same twin spark UC engine which is there in the Bullet. I think this has 27 bhp, so that I think that should handle this power to weight ratio is also good. Although if you look at this tail lamp, this resembles that of Interceptor. Overall, the appeal of the bike is simply superb. I am in awe with this bike and I can't get over it. I want to take it out and test ride it on the road, not just off-road, on-road also. It has sheer on-road presence, doston. The on-road presence of this bike is simply superb, and it's gonna catch a lot of eyeballs and raise a lot of eyebrows while you're commuting in city traffic. I can tell you that. I don't know what this means. This is just a fancy change which Royal Enfield has done. So probably sort of rally sort of bike, I can say. But yeah, if you look at the KTM, they have the same frame which is in orange color, but this is in red color. It's absolutely superb, guys. जैसा मैंने कहा, I'm simply in awe with this bike, especially if you look at this frame. This is making me go crazy. दोस्तों, ये जो आपको frame दिख रहा है, so there is no pillion seat for this trails model. तो क्या होता है कि this is completely made for your leg. This you can call this as your luggage racket. You can store your luggage and go on in long tour and have fun in this lush. So that's pretty much it. And I particularly like this chromium finish to this. Looks red top gorgeous. That's pretty much it, dosto. And like I said, the few mechanical changes on this bike is obviously the grill, which looks perfect, adds to that rugged look. This knuckle guards, I've never seen this sort of knuckle guard. I think they have manufactured this only for this Royal Enfield model, and I like this grip, rubber grip. That's pretty much it, and I can't wait to get my hands onto this. Dosto, isn't it beautiful? So जैसा मैंने कहा, as I said, you'll have to wait for at least few days, or at least say few weeks, before you get the test drive vehicle, because it's not even a week since Royal Enfield has launched this in the market, and you have it only for display in few select showrooms in Royal Enfield dealership in Bangalore. You don't have the display vehicles in most of the showroom. In fact, I have booked my Interceptor in CVS Kalanagar, and I had been there. Unfortunately, they don't have the display vehicle, so I had to come all the way to Saira Motorcraft, which is in Mahadevpura. This is the same showroom where I booked my Electra 4 years ago, and this is one of the biggest Royal Enfield showroom you can ever find in about 7-8 kilometers radius. And that's it, guys. I'm completely happy to be able to get my first hand experience and to see it and to be able to show it on my channel. It's absolutely dread top gorgeous, dosto, and I'm sure you will see a lot more of these vehicles. As it is, Bangalore roads are completely filled with bullets, 350 Electras, whatnot, and few months down the lane you will start seeing a lot of trails on the road zooming across next to you in traffic of Bangalore, I can say. Beautiful launch, 10 out of 10 I can say. And yeah, off-roading, purely made for off-road fun, off-road enthusiasts and rally goers. This is the bike which you want to buy, have it in your garage and have some fun in the slush. That's it, dosto.